Hemming is made easy with a quick cuff and a sew. A gas-powered auger bit bores planting holes. Puddle walking is made easy with a leaf blower. Chopped up sponge glued to a glove for easy dishwashing. A paper towel rod creates the perfect sneaky safe. An old tuna can is transformed into a drywall tool. Attach zip ties to a multi-tool for easy weed whacking. Molten plastic is jammed in to retrieve a broken key. Rebar hang-ups are avoided with a trusty water bottle. A matchbox makes for the perfect catch and release device. A perfectly positioned pillow redirects water jugs for delivery. Tasks are checked off with a quick flip of a binder clip. Excess air gets vacuumed out for optimal storage. Three drops and gravity team up for the perfect measurement. A generous cat offers its claw in place of a knife. An orbital sander breaks sand loose for quick vacuuming. The tape acts as a handle to fetch locked-in keys. Soak tissues in the perfect throw trap a cockroach. A picture is hung with tape as a tracing mechanism. An older brother disguises medicine as watermelon juice. These pros zipline a tree directly into the chipper. A slick banner undercuts snow to break it free. A double-handed bike chain saw severs a tree. Plastic wrapped cement serves as a faux stone for a driveway. Caulking is laid down cleanly with a custom cut spout. A self-propelled mower on a leash keenly cuts grass. A log is quartered with a sledgehammer and a splitter. A grinding wheel is made out of an old bottle cap. Dental floss is used to precisely slice a watermelon. Several vertical cuts allow for the ultimate circular cut. Two coat hangers mimic straps for this umbrella backpack. Veggies get sealed with a bottle cap, straw, and a hairdryer. Cold hard butter made fluffy with a strainer. Paper is wrapped on the outside for a snug inside fit. Rotation and friction help thread a tricky needle. Rigorous shaking in various directions amazingly organizes nails. A pot lid is used to extract every bit of cheese. A plastic bottle spout creates the perfect pouring tool. A whisk doubles as a scooping tool for flour. A sponge and a steady hand create a faux look. A portable paint can gets drilled directly into a brush. A compass traces the intricacies of a crown molding cut. Dual trowler action creates the perfect spackle job. A triangular cut creates two handles for a secure knot. A bent plastic cup creates a smooth silicone finish. A horizontal wooden spoon prevents this cat from ever escaping. Tape in a cross-like pattern is yanked to fix a dent. Painter's tape creates a smooth transition directly into the bag. A powerful leaf blower gets the snow job done. Fluid is transferred with a jerry-rigged compressor reductor.